Hi guys, this is Rika and today I wanted to show you the official studio tour. So before we get started with the studio tour, I just wanted to show everyone how it all started. So the studio did not always look like this. I don't have any pictures, but I didn't have this many tables and equipment and stuff before. I used to occupy a tiny section of the basement, and now I just kept occupying more and more of it. So it has gone through a lot of transformation. I've been moving things around, trying to find the perfect space, trying to make the perfect space for me to be able to do my art. And so here I'm just showing you what I've been doing to make it better. For example, that shelf, that was a plant shelf we had upstairs and we brought it down so that I could use it. Oh, and since it was carpet in the basement, I had to make sure I bought these mats so that I could put it on the floor and on the table so that I don't get any paint on the carpet, because that would be very hard to clean. Now this was a few weeks ago, or I don't know, actually maybe a month ago already, but it took a while for me to fix everything and to actually, get plants for the basement as well. As you can see, eventually though, I got some plants. My mom bought plants for me. I also use the grow light downstairs, the purple ones, so that the plants are healthier. I have a snake plant, a spotiphyllum, some succulents, and this is how it looks like. So now that you've seen me cleaning up and setting things up and moving things around, I think it's time that we do the tour. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Rika and today I wanted to show you the official studio tour so you guys can finally see what my studio looks like. It's currently not like done. I still want to make it really pretty. I still want to upgrade it a lot, add more plants, more shelves, but as of now I wanted to just show you guys how it looks like, so that in the future I can also show the progress of, I'm adding this little thing and I get to show you what I'm adding, and then we can see the growth through that. We'll start at this shelf. So this shelf is just a bunch of crochet stuff, tape, glue, ribbons, paper. This is just normal supplies. I put it on the shelf close to the entrance. Now we'll go over here first. Over here we do a lot of sewing. My sister does a lot of sewing. My mom taught us how to sew. So we also have a bunch of fabric here and sewing materials, and these are all my sister's stuff. The reason my sister's stuff are here because this is her table. It used to be my table because I used to draw a lot. This was my drawing table. You can adjust it to go up and down, but now my sister's the one who draws more than I do, so I decided to give her this table, let her use it. This is going to be her space. Charcoal pencils, markers, and all that stuff, and she has her own sketchbooks as well. Here is just a filing cabinet for a bunch of document supplies. Over here I have a speaker because I like to listen to music while I'm painting. This is just a dish garden that my mom made. This is my big canvas painting area. So basically I turn this lamp on so that I can have light while I'm painting over here. This area I put like a mat down here and plastic just so it doesn't ruin the carpet, because unfortunately it's carpet. It's not very good if you're painting. This is my canvas stack of all my ongoing paintings and also extra canvases that I might need in the future. This is just a bunch of artwork. My earlier drawings are over here as well. Not all of my paintings and drawings are here because they're all over the house, and I also give them to people, so yeah. Anyways, let's get to the shelf over here. If you didn't know, this has a grow light. So this is how it looks like when I turn it on. Because the plants here don't have sunlight, there's no windows or anything here because we're in the basement. So I will do my best not to kill these plants. But anyways, so we have a shelf. My brushes are here, my palettes, my paint, all of these. My paint, I can just go like this, take it out. I sorted them by color almost. I have some plants over here just because plants are good if you're working in a space. Looking at plants are good. These are my recent paintings that I did for fun. This is a rustic sign. You can never have too many plants. Who can agree? Anyways, look at this! My mom gave this to me as a gift because she wanted me to have plants down here. Just look how cute that is. It's all pink. So I strategically put all these plants up here so that they can get grow light. Light from the light. Light from the light? You get what I mean. Anyways, so here are some small canvases. Also some down here. I just like to display them. All of my equipment and more canvases down here as well. Over here, the point is, I also have a, what do you call this? A humidifier, I think, or a diffuser, a scent diffuser. So I like to put it here so that the plants are, because the air in the basement is dry. So I like to humidify the space so that the plants aren't suffering. And I can also put scents here if I want to. We have a bunch of essential oils to make just the space smell better. And over here, this space, I use it as a display or like a gallery background sort of thing. This is my background whenever I do videos, so I'd like to show the paintings I've done on YouTube on here so that you guys can see what I've done. So far, this is what I have. I want to keep adding more, so look out for that. We're going to keep adding to this wall. And lastly, over here, here's basically the office space. I like to have Korean vocabulary here because I am studying Korean. I like to have a bunch of post-it notes everywhere. And over here is actually the board where I put all the orders and, you know, goals, pending commission orders so that I don't forget. And I just erased them for the purpose of this video. But yeah, I have like my supplies here, my notebooks, my laptop, the ring light in case I need light to study. This is the table that I use when I film some of my, like, the shots that are bird's eye view shots of my paintings while I'm painting. This is where I do them. This thing over here is what I use because it can like stretch and like hold the phone here, you know? I like this, it's very flexible. Basically, that is the end of this studio tour. It's a small space, a really cute space, but I'm really thankful that I got to have this space in the first place. That way I can get to do my work freely and have my own personal space where I can keep all my supplies and paint in peace, and it's just fun. So I'm going to keep upgrading the space. Obviously in the future I would also like to have my own studio, but yeah, as of now it's April 2021. This is the space that I have and I can't wait to make it better. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.